Hello, how's it going? So, something to show everyone. The bowling alley is now open for business. You can see all the way down to the far door on the coach car, and all the walls have been removed. So here's what that process looked like. It's been something I've been working on since well before October. This is kind of a collection of a number of months worth of work. So here we go. Okay, and just like that, the truss rods are out from inside the car. Out pretty easily. I got it through and out to the back. So I'm sorry, but you're going to have to put up with the screen being crooked. Unless... Nope, you're going to have to put up with the screen being crooked. I'm trying to take down the wall. right. So those are all of the upper wall panels that go there. That is still somehow stuck, but I did get the bottom off and it's now sitting down at the end of the car. And of course, end the video with a quick walkthrough here. So still got a bunch of junk laying around that needs to be sorted, cleaned, etc. This, of course, is where the observation closet used to be. There was that one on the side, and then the main coat closet. The hallway was here. This was the office. These bolts here in the floor go to the brake cylinder. That's going to have to be removed. This is the wall for the what I'm just nicknaming the boardroom for now. That wall panel right there is where it ends. And you can see all of the table, the refrigerator, the stove, everything has been removed. So with that being said, obviously I want to thank everyone who helped me do a lot of this work, lift everything out of that window, throw it out. And yeah, this is going to be my last video probably on this project for this year. Going to be traveling a lot over the holidays, so hope you guys all have a good one, and we'll be back in 2023.